gentlemen, I'd like to welcome you to Atlanta, Georgia, where the local time is approximately 7:05 in the evening. We do kindly ask that you please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain has finished his taxi to the gate and turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. This, of course, will be your only indication that it is now safe to move out the cabin. When you are getting your items out of the overhead compartment, we do also ask that you take care as items do shift during takeoff and landing. It has been our pleasure to fly you today. In a few days, a few of you may be getting a survey asking how your flight experience with Delta was. We do kindly ask you please fill out this experience. If you did enjoy your flight crew, please let Delta know. Delta does change its flight policies continually, and we look for your feedback with these surveys. More importantly, should you be on a connecting flight looking for gate information or return flights, there will be a uniformed gate agent that will be meeting the flight that can answer all of those questions. They will be located at the top of the jetway. Finally, I hope everyone gets to where they're going safely today, and it was our pleasure to fly you. Thank you very much, and have a great holiday weekend.